Auspicious functions commence with the lighting of the lamp. It is a tradition with significance. Tamso ma jyotirgamaya, which means, O Lord, keep me not in the darkness of ignorance, but lead me towards the light of spiritual knowledge. A lamp depicts absence of darkness, grief, unhappiness, and above all, creates an optimistic environment. A lamp teaches us to be upright, burning itself to bright others' life. So let us start this program by lighting the lamp. I, K.R. Shah, sincerely call upon the Honorable Principal, Shri Pavan Kumar Sharma, Vice Principal, Shri Tejas Kumar Deswani, teachers of Ananda, Shomita ma'am, Krishna Kumar sir, Shanmugan Sundaram sir, V. Jyoti ma'am, Sita Lakshmi ma'am, Popat sir, and Sudhit sir to come forward to light the lamp. Thank you.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धन सम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपः ज्योतिर्नमस्तुते नमस्तुते नमस्तुते ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षयो वरिष्ठैः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः पूरे में ज्ञान का दीप जला दो पूरे में ज्ञान का दीप जला दो मन में श्रद्धा भाव जगा दो मन में श्रद्धा भाव जगा दो तब हो पूरा काम सद्गुरु तुमको प्रणाम। शत 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 तुमको प्रणाम। सद्गुरु तुमको प्रणाम। हम आए हैं शरण तिहारी। हम आए हैं शरण तिहारी। प्रतिभा जागृत कर दो हमारी। प्रतिभा जागृत कर दो हमारी। हे करुणा के धाम सद्गुरु तुमको प्रणाम। शत 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 तुमको प्रणाम। सद्गुरु तुमको प्रणाम। माया तम को दूर भगा दो। माया तम को दूर भगा दो। में अखंड ज्योत जगा दो। में अखंड ज्योत जगा दो। पूरी में आठों याम सद्गुरु तुमको प्रणाम। शत 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 तुमको प्रणाम। सद्गुरु तुमको प्रणाम। तुमको प्रणाम। तुमको प्रणाम।
Thank you so much, wonderful teachers. I request the other gathering to remain with us. After a short while, we are going to start our cultural program. So, we all know about Abraham Lincoln, right? So, I feel immensely happy when I speak about him. It is really a tribute to talk about him because he has performed such unique acts throughout his life that his character is not at all ordinary, but it was of excellent standards. One such act was his famous letter, Abraham Lincoln's letter to his son's headmaster. I feel privileged to read it out to you. My son starts school today. It is all going to be strange and new to him for a while, and I wish you would treat him gently. It is an adventure that might take him across continents, all adventures that probably includes war, tragedy, and sorrow. To live this life will require faith, love, and courage. So, dear teacher, will you please take him by his hand and teach him things he will have to know, teaching him, but gently, if you can. Teach him that for every enemy there is a friend. He will have to know that all men are not just, that all men are not true, but teach him that for every squirrel there is a hero, that for every crook politician there is a dedicated leader. Teach him, if you can, that 10 cents earned is so far more valuable than a dollar found. In school, teacher, It is far more important and honorable to fail but not to cheat. Teach him to learn how gracefully lose and enjoy winning when he does win. Teach him to be gentle with gentle people, tough with tough people. Steer him away from envy if you can, and teach him the secret of quiet laughter. Teach him, if you can, how to laugh when he is sad. Teach him there is no shame in tears. Teach him there can be glory in failure and despair in success. Teach him to scoff at cynics. Teach him, if you can, the wonders of book, but also give time to ponder the extreme mystery of birds in the sky, bees in the sun, and flowers on the green hill. Teach him to have faith in his own ideas, even if everyone tells that he is wrong. Try to give my son the strength not to follow the crowd and when everyone else is doing it. Teach him to listen to everyone, but teach him also to filter the thoughts that he hears on the screen of truth and take only what goods come to him. Teach him to sell his talents and brain to the highest bidder, but never put a price tag on his heart and soul. Let him give the courage to be impatient. Let him have the patience to be brave. Teach him to have sublime faith in himself, because then he will have sublime faith in mankind, in God. This is the high order, teacher, but see what best you can do. He is such a nice little boy, and he is my son. Thank you so much. गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपकी गोविंदियो बताए कबीरा गोविंदियो बताए। यह एक कबीरदास जी का बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध दोहा है, जो ये हमें बताने की कोशिश करता है कि यदि कभी ऐसी दुविधा तुम्हारे सामने आ जाए कि गुरु और गोविंद दोनों ही मिल जाए, तो सर्वप्रथम किसके चरण स्पर्श करोगे? तो वो कहते हैं कि पहले हमें गुरु के ही चरण स्पर्श करने चाहिए, क्योंकि गुरु ने ही हमें ईश्वर का ज्ञान दिया है। जो भगवान को शिष्य से परिचित कराते हैं, वही है गुरु। गुरु के बिना तो शिष्य को भगवान की महिमा का पाठ ही नहीं पता चलता। हमारे शास्त्रों में उत्तम ही कहा गया है कि गुरु का दर्जा तो भगवान से भी ऊंचा होता है। मेरे तरफ से गुरुओं को शत शत नमन। अब मैं यशवी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Kea. With these lines of gratitude, I, Yashvi Patel, wish a very good morning to Principal Shri Pavan Kumar Sharma, the Vice Principal Shri Tejas Kumar Desai, to all the respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, the guest of honor are our teachers, and with lots of love, I wish them Happy Teachers' Day. This is a day where we pay our utmost respect to all these wonderful souls who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. We, the students of class 12, have organized this event to express our gratitude to all these teachers. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September, which is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. and this year it is his 132nd birth anniversary. Dr. Radhakrishnan believed that teachers are the best minds in the country, as they are the ones to create the best brains. He became the President of India in 1962. He was a staunch educationalist, renowned diplomat, and above all, a great teacher. His greatness compelled his students to celebrate his birthday every year, but he insisted on observing his birthday as Teachers' Day. With this, I request Anirudh to continue ahead.
Thank you, Yashi. A teacher inspires the mind, ignites the imagination, and instills a love of learning. Being one is the highest privilege, and having one is the best blessing. With this thought, remember how lucky we all are at Anandale. Anandale, a school with difference. Our school is probably the only school in Gujarat which has been successful in celebrating virtual assemblies even in the unfortunate times of the pandemic. Along with that, our teachers have put in their maximum efforts in completing the course. And we're also able to offer students to strive for excellence in the areas of core scholastics as well. With proper schedules devised up for the students, they ensured stress-free classes, which lent out towards a healthy student life. Now, I request KR to take on it further.
Thank you, Anirudh. Before the beginning of any program, we take time to remember God and thank them for the life He has given to us. Dance provides an eternal dialogue that is sacred within our heart, soul, and spirit, giving a direct link to the souls. So, without further ado, I call upon Kanchi for the prayer dance.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Thank you so much, Kanchi, for this startling performance. Music is a language of emotion. It can represent different feelings and barge into the soul with no boundaries or limitations. The more we use music, the more it brings us together, which helps in increasing empathy, social connection, and cooperation. So here are the all-time favorite singing pair, Isha and Shubhang, to engulf us in melody.
रूठे ख्वाबों को मना लेंगे, कटी पतंगों को थामेंगे। हाँ है जज्बा, हो है जज्बा, सुलझा देंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा, का मांझा, का मांझा। सोई तकदीरें जगा देंगे, कल को अंबर भी झुका देंगे। हाँ है जज्बा, हो है जज्बा, सुलझा देंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा। जो गुमशुदा सा ख्वाब था, वो मिल गया, वो खिल गया। वो लोहा था पिघल गया, खिंचा खिंचा मचल गया। सितार में बदल गया, रूबरू रोशनी, रूबरू रोशनी है।
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause this day brings back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause this day brings back all the memories. And the memories bring back you.
There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever and everything was still the same. Now my heart feel like December, somebody say your name. Now I can reach out to call you, and I know I will one day. Yeah. Another turning point, folks shook on the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why.
It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end, it's right. I hope you have the time of your life.
जीवन जीवन दरिया दरिया,
एक जो पार करो दूसरा दरिया मिले।
हाँ सावन सावन बगिया बगिया,
ये भी होता है कि पत्थर पे भी है फूल खिले।
हाँ सीधे पत्ते पड़े बाजी ये तू जीत गया।
वक्त मुश्किल था मगर जैसा भी हो बीत गया।
आज दुनिया भी तेरे साथ गुनगुनाती है।
कल अकेला ही था जो दुख भरा वो गीत गया।
जीवन जीवन दरिया दरिया, एक जो पार करूं दूसरा दरिया मिले।
सावन
सावन बगिया बगिया, ये भी होता है कि पत्थर पे भी है फूल खिले। Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
What an ear-soothing performance. Thank you, Ishan Shubha. We students have an immense respect for our teachers, and we have our very own way of expressing it. So, I invite Agnya and the deputy head boy of Anandale, Aditya, to express their gratitude and love for teachers.
धन्यवाद अनिरुद्ध। रोते रोते जब कोई आता है इस आंगन में, रोते रोते जब कोई आता है इस आंगन में, डरता है वो सबसे, असुरक्षा रहती है मन में। फिर वो मिलता है कुछ ऐसे इंसान को जो लिखना सिखाते हैं अपने ही नाम को, जो बताते हैं क्या है गलत क्या है सही, जो बताते हैं क्या है गलत और क्या है सही, जो बताते हैं क्या है अच्छा और क्या है नहीं। वो बताते हैं जीवन जीने का ढंग, वो भरते हैं जीवन में शिक्षा के रंग, संवारते हैं हमें जब तक निखर ना जाए हम, संवारते हैं हमें जब तक के निखर ना जाए हम। ध्यान रहता है इनको कि टूटे पर बिखर ना जाए हम। सिखाते हैं हमें कि हार मानना सीखना मत, पर हाँ गलत तरीकों से कभी जीतना भी मत। अनुभव बहुत होता है इनकी नजर को, अनुभव बहुत होता है इनकी नजर को, भांप लेते हैं वो हर किसी में छिपे हुनर को। लगा देते हैं पंख कि भर लो तुम उड़ान आज, लगा देते हैं पंख कि भर लो तुम उड़ान आज। ऐसे गुरुओं को कर रही हूँ शत शत मैं नमन आज, ऐसे गुरुओं को कर रही हूँ शत शत मैं नमन आज। शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Those who educate are the most honored souls, as they give us the art of life. This quote by Aristotle is true even in the modern scenario. A very warm morning to Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, esteemed dignitaries, our respected teachers, and my fellow students. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, we all have gathered here to express our heartfelt respect and gratitude to our teachers. Teacher is a simple term, but has a lot of meaning. Teacher plays many roles in a student's life, like a friend, a guardian, a role model, and whatnot. They are also our biggest well-wisher in the entire world. The ones who taught us not only to read and write, but also to be curious enough to ask and find answers. They are the ones who bestowed us the greatest treasure, that is knowledge. And by doing so, they have opened the gate for us to an infinite world where the only limitation is our imagination. It is very well said that anyone can make you read a textbook, but only a teacher can make you understand it. In our darkest moments of life, we find them as the beaming source of light which drives away the clouds of despair. And though we may not appreciate their efforts, they are always with us, like an invisible force guiding us on each and every difficult turn of our life. I find it unbelievable that in spite of being teaching a lesson for over hundreds of times, our teachers still teach the same with the same patience and sincerity. They are truly the only people in the world, other than our parents, showering upon us an unconditional love. If it weren't for this sincerity and patience, probably today I would not have been capable enough to speak over here. Even in their scoldings, they have hidden blessings, as they know that ores of quartz takes thousands of hammering before turning into gold. They know that life will not always be a bed of roses, and thus they prepare us for the journey we call life. They not only teach us about the lessons of class, but also about the lessons of life. Their dedication towards their work is truly exemplary for all of us, as it is due to their efforts and dedication that we have been able to spend this beautiful 14 years in school. In the end, I don't have enough words to thank our teachers for the kindness, patience, dedication, sincerity, and love they shower upon us. But I know that even after school life, for every success we achieve and every failure we face successfully, our teachers' blessings and their guidance will be with us to make us unique in the crowd. So thank you, teachers, as you gave us all reasons to dream big and all the resources to achieve it. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
That was indeed a unique way of expression. We appreciate your hard work. Thank you, Agnya and Aditya. Dance is a form of art which helps us communicate, express things that cannot be expressed through words. Now let's welcome Kripsi Patel, who's going to thank our teachers through a dance for all the sacrifices they have made for us.
थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राह बर बने वही थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राह बर बने वही वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नहीं पहचान नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान ऊंची भरी उड़ान ऊंची भरी उड़ान मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नहीं पहचान नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें कहना है एक बड़ा सा थैंक यू ये सब कुछ तो वर्ड्स में रोज दिखाते जाए कुछ नया या दुनिया हाथों में रख दे Thanks a lot, lots of love many ways just to say thanks a lot सुबह हो या शाम चाहे जो भी हो काम होगा पहले बस तुम्हारा नाम Thanks a lot, lots of love many ways just to say thanks a lot
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers and thank you for everything you have done for me.
Thank you, Kripsi, for the wonderful performance. Teachers make the world a better place to live in. They mentor, nurture, and teach children well. That's why the role of a teacher as a moral guide is critical in one's life. So here are my friends presenting a skit titled Guru with two different scenes which portray how teachers guide us and improve mold our personality.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to invite our chief guest, Aisha Patel, who studied and graduated from this school, and we are honored to have her on the stage.
Thank you so much for inviting me to my very own school after 15 years as a chief guest. I'm honored to be a part of this wonderful school and especially to Mrs. Archana Srivastav, who changed my life forever. I will narrate an incident to you all, which goes back to 17 years in time, where I was just an ordinary, contrary to what I am today. And I would be telling you what changed my life and who had a great influence over my decision. So let's dive into my past and see how I used to be 17 years ago.
Oh God, look, she is back. This girl never fails to annoy me. She's so irritating. This pathetic girl, she just gets into my nerves. She never leaves me alone. I just don't like her anymore.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Aisha Patel. I'm from class 10th B. I know many of you may not know me. I guess that's because I'm not that popular in this school. But you would definitely know my best friends, Shivani and Riddhi. Yes, they are my best
Oh my
friends.
god, did I just hear your annoying voice saying that we are your best friends? Like, how can you possibly imagine that we would even consider you to be a friend in the first place?
Exactly. I mean, just look at you, dressed so shabbily with those filthy nails of yours. You're just a dunce and the dumbest of our batch.
And don't you dare try to disgrace a high reputation by comparing them to yours. याद रखना तू मूर्ख है थी और हमेशा रहेगी और हमारी दोस्त कभी नहीं बन सकती कभी भी नहीं.
Come on, Riddhi, it's our games period. Let's not waste time behind her. Let's play. We've got this period after so long. Come on.
Yes, let's go.
Oh my dear, what happened, Aisha? Why are you crying? And why did you not go for your games period? Is everything alright, beta? Do you want to talk about it?
Ma'am, with all due respect, I'm nowhere being brave. I'm just a dumb old lousy girl who is useless. I'm shabby and I have no friends and no career. My classmates are right about me. I'm stinky and I'm academically very poor. I'm just a slob who likes to read sometimes and write sometimes. But that doesn't even matter because that doesn't even count.
Oh my dear, that is absolutely rubbish. You are making judgments over what your bullies have to say about you. You can't let anyone else define you, Aisha. You can't let anyone else let you down just because they are secretly jealous of you. It just defines your skills and abilities. As far as Riddhi is concerned, she is good at math, but poor in history. And Shivani, she is doing wonders in Hindi and extremely poor in English. But you, Aisha, you are doing great in English and maybe poor with numbers and science. That does not let you any lesser than them. It just defines your potential and abilities. And if you're really interested in writing, you should look up for opportunities in that direction, regardless of thinking over what others have to say about you. You need to have belief in yourself. You need to have self-confidence, Aisha.
Wow, never really thought of it this way. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for encouraging me and motivating me. I will think about everything you said and try being the best version of myself and astonish everyone.
That's the spirit, my child. You should do what you love doing. You should do what you are good at doing. You are a bright student, Aisha, and you have always been one.
Yes, and this is how my teacher, my guru, changed my life forever. She pushed me and motivated me to become one of the best journalists of this country. I'm honored to stand on his stage and share my experience with you all. I'm satisfied, very happy, and contented with what I am today and grateful to my teachers. This is how a teacher influences students' dreams and helps shaping them into becoming a reality. Thank you.
Thank you, Aisha, for your wonderful words. So next on the stage, I invite the CEO of Elite Company, Mr. Manik Malhotra, who graduated from this school, to say a few words.
Greetings to all. After listening to Aisha's incident, they made me recollect one of my memories from past attached to my very own school, and I would love to share it with you. I dedicate a major part of my success to my guru, Miss Lakshmi Gupta.
Hey guys, aren't you all nervous? After all, we are going to get our marks. Just the thought of it makes me anxious.
Yes, my friend, I'm so nervous and I'm worried about our marks.
There's no reason for me to be afraid. I top in exams all the time, and this time is no different.
Good morning, students. I'm going to give you answer sheets today. I request everyone to be quiet and just look into your paper rather than showing interest in what others have scored. Okay, so let's begin. Aisha, 15 out of 25. You have to work hard, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You are such a loser, Aisha. You just got 15 marks. Haha.
Dhruv, 20 out of 25. Good, Dhruv. I can see improvement in your performance.
Thank you, ma'am.
This guy is good for nothing. तुझे कुछ आता तो है नहीं.
Kabir, 22 out of 25. Kabir, you have great potential to score good.
Yes, ma'am. I assure you that I will work harder.
Oh, Kabir, you have no potential. The marks you have got are just by luck.
Manik, 17 out of 25.
Just 17? Ma'am, I believe this answer is correct. Let me check with Dhruv's answer.
Manik, I've told not to compare your answers with others.
Ma'am, there's just a minor difference. There was no need to deduct my marks.
What is the matter with you, Manik? All the papers have been checked thoroughly and I've awarded everyone the marks that they deserve. You are overconfident and that is pushing you away from working hard. If you had spent your days before the exam studying rather than mocking at others, you might have scored better.
Ma'am, I'm not satisfied with your correction. Tomorrow, I'll come with my parents and they'll talk to you.
Today was your result day. How much did you score, son?
Mom, I just scored 17 marks. I'm very disappointed. It was such a bad day.
Why? What happened? Did you not write a paper properly?
No, Mom, my answers were perfectly written. It's my teacher's fault. She deducted my marks purposely. In 4 questions where I should get full marks, she just gave me 1 mark. Teacher has some grudge against me. Mom, you need to come to my school tomorrow and talk to her.
Teachers don't do that, my dear son. But okay, I'll come to your school. I have to have a word with your teacher. Even about your behavior. I want to finish it once and for all.
Yes, Mom, then we are going tomorrow.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mrs. Manatra. Good morning, Malik. What happened?
Ma'am, in the paper, you deducted my marks in 4 questions, and I really don't understand why did you.
Okay, give me your paper. Okay, Manik, look. In question 4 and 6, you have made calculation mistakes. And in question number 8, you have applied the wrong formula, beta. So now, did you understand where you went wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm really sorry, ma'am. I apologize on behalf of my son. I've explained him so many times how to behave in front of elders. But this kid, oh my God, he does not listen to me even for once. I apologize and I assure you he'll not behave in the same manner again.
You need not apologize for his mistakes. All he needed was a little scolding to prevent him from crossing his limits. He is my student and it's my responsibility to change his attitude. And I'm very sure that I'll change his attitude and bring him back on the right track. You really don't have to worry. Has got a lot of potential and will do wonders in life.
I'm really sorry, ma'am, that I disappointed you. You saw the good in me even when I misbehaved. I never thought that my doings would hurt my fellow classmates, and I'm ready to apologize to them as well.
Okay, Manik. So now, did you understand that there is no shortcut to success? Only hard work and determination works. So start working hard from now onwards, beta, and all the best for the future.
Thank you all for listening to my incident. This incident taught me a great lesson. Today, what I am is just cause of my teacher, Miss Lakshmi Gupta.
Thank you, Manik, for your heartfelt memory. It took us to your past. Wow, we all can relate to these events and make best out of them. Thank you, teachers. Thank you for nourishing us, caring for us, and helping us through everything. We respect you all, even if we fail to show it. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers.
Wow, what a wonderful way to present a message. Heroes don't wear a cape, they just teach. Really, the teachers with the lifelong lessons. Now I request Molly ma'am to share her views.
The light of the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, my colleagues, parents, and my beloved students, a warm greeting to all of you on this auspicious occasion of celebrating the beautiful bond shared by the students and the teachers. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank Principal Sir and Vice Principal Sir for giving me this great opportunity to deliver the speech today. I would like to thank all the organizers for organizing such a lovely program. Today, we are all honored by the amazing function organized by the students on the virtual platform. Kudos to the teamwork, creativity, and talent reflected in every program. The dances, songs, and the skit were worth watching and entertaining. Every student has put their heart and soul in making the Teachers' Day a grand success. Every year, 5th September had been celebrated in a special way, but this year it holds such a great importance for everyone. The teachers and students are far apart and in touch only through e-classes. This makes it very special, very, very special for all of us. During this lockdown period, the teachers have shown great dedication and unwavering support by taking regular online classes. They have made innovative lesson plans, PPTs, videos, and interesting puzzles for their students to make the teaching learning process very lively and effective and interesting. They're continuously guiding, motivating, and inspiring the students to learn in the virtual classrooms. Our students also deserve a pat on their shoulders for adapting easily in the challenging situations. They have shown great maturity in doing their best in the online classes. These moments would be permanently etched in our memories. They would pave the way for us to be more human, empathetic, considerate, and tolerant with each other. It has been a learning lesson for all of us to face challenges boldly. On behalf of Anandalaya family, I extend my gratitude to all of you for showing love and respect to us. We feel blessed for being teachers. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful day. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. Bhajans are the songs sung to show our gratitude and love for God. Singing or listening to them removes all negativity from one's mind and fills their heart with love. So now I invite Aman to harmonize us with a bhajan.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु
गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सुनता है गुरु ज्ञानी, गुरु ज्ञानी सुनता है गुरु ज्ञानी। गगन में आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी, गगन में आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। पहले आए आए पहले पहले आए आए पहले, नाद बिंदु से पीछे जमया पानी पानी हो जी, पानी पानी हो जी। सब घट पूरन गुरु रयारे, सब घट पूरन गुरु रयारे, अलग पुरुष निर्वाणी होगी। आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी, गगन में आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। अरे आ ओ अरे आ वहाँ से आया पता लिखाया, वहाँ से आया पता लिखाया। तृष्णा तूने बुझाई, तृष्णा तूने बुझाई। अमृत छोड़ सो विषय को जावे, अमृत छोड़ सो विषय को जावे। उल्टी फांस फसानी होगी। आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी, गगन में आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। अरे आ ओ अरे आ कहत कबीरा कहत कबीरा सुन भय साधो, जाए अगम की बाणी, जाए अगम की बाणी। दिन भर आए नजर भर देखे, दिन भर आए नजर भर देखे। अजर हमारे वो निशानी होती। आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी, गगन में आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। सुनता है गुरु ज्ञानी गगन में, सुनता है गुरु ज्ञानी गगन में, सुनता है गुरु ज्ञानी गगन में, सुनता है गुरु ज्ञानी गगन में। आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी झीनी, आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी, गगन में आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी, गगन में आवाज हो रही झीनी झीनी। गगन में आवाज हो रही झीणी झीणी। आप सभी को शिक्षक दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you, Aman. It was such a mesmerizing and captivating performance. Dance is a joy of movement and heart of life. Now, I call upon Anandalay's celebrated dance pair, Khushi and Shikha, to amaze us with their dance.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूटे से बंदी है हवा में लग के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपनी ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तो मौसम का है मेहमान तुम, वो दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तुम। तू धूप है सबसे बिखा, तू है नदी बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुद जहाँ तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। खुदा तुझको बता, कहाँ जाके ना बता, मुझे अपनी मंजिल का पता, खुदा तुझको बता, कहाँ जाके ना बता, यहाँ पे मुझे अपनी मंजिल का पता।
सोचा कहाँ था ये तो हो गया, आना कहाँ था ये तो हो गया, ईश्वर का चोला है सबको होश में, सपनों को छानो ये है और बादल पे पाओ है बाकी का नाव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी नाव है, बादल पे पाओ है बाकी का नाव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी नाव है।
Happy Teachers Day. We love you all.
What an amazing performance. It takes a big heart to help shape little minds. Teachers give us the best gift of all, the power of believing in oneself. Therefore, in order to pay our tribute, we present to you a video specially made for our extraordinary teachers. Teachers change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. Now, I call upon a special teacher amongst us who is always ready to burn the midnight oil when it comes to quality education. Indeed, he is none other than the principal of Anandale, Shri Pavan Kumar Sharma. I request sir to inspire us with his wise words.
Thank you, Aditya. Good morning, everybody. I feel honored and privileged to share my message on this auspicious day. A society without teacher would have not been a society. Rather, we would have been left to be pondering and still the Stone Age. The great philosopher Aristotle, in his words, expressed that those who teach, those who educate children are to be honored more than the parents who give life. Rightly said, being backed by a child too, who says, I am indebted to my parents for giving me a living, but I owe more to my teachers who have taught me, who have guided me to have it, living it well. They are the real craftsmen. They guide us. They prepare us for everything because we know life never seems to be as we wish. But the teachings which we get it from our teachers really always become a source of motivation to live the life the best way we can. It reminds me of a small story of a small boy in a village who was drought stricken. Dear parents, मैं थोड़ी सी हिंदी भी यूज करूंगा अभी। एक गांव में सूखा पड़ा, साल के बाद एक साल बीतते गए, बारिश का कोई नामो निशान नहीं था। उस गांव में एक ऋषि आए, गुरु आए। गांव के लोगों ने अपनी तकलीफें कही कि गुरुजी, इस सूखे से कैसे निजात पाया जाए, हम कैसे उभरे इस डिफिकल्ट टाइम से। गुरुजी ने बहुत चिंतन किया, उस गांव में रुके, उस गांव की पीड़ा को समझा और उन्होंने कहा कि ठीक है, फलाने दिन हम एक सभा करेंगे जहां हम एक सम्मिलित होके प्रभु से प्रार्थना करेंगे कि हे प्रभु, इस विडंबना की घड़ी को किसी तरह से, इस डिफिकल्ट टाइम को ओवरकम करने के लिए गिव अस द करेज। लोग तैयार हुए, वो दिन आया, स्वामी जी, गुरु जी अपनी आसन पे बैठे, सभा लगी और कुछ क्षण के लिए पूरा का पूरा गांव एक ही स्वर में हृदय से प्रार्थना करने लगे। प्रार्थना करने को अभी चंद मिनट ही बीते थे कि कुछ बारिश की बूंदें टपक पड़ी। प्रार्थना खत्म हुई, गांव वालों ने गुरु जी का उद्घोष किया तहे दिल से कि गुरु जी, ये आपकी ही कृपा है जिसके चलते कि हमें ये बारिश मिली जिसके लिए हम तरस गए थे। गुरु जी ने विनम्र होकर सभी के सामने हाथ जोड़े और बोले, मैं कौन होता हूं विधि के विधान को बदलने वाला। और उन्होंने अपना हाथ बढ़ाया एक बड़े खड़े बालक की तरफ जो एक सतरंगी छाता लिए खड़ा था। मैं रिपीट करता हूं, यहां मैं दोहराता हूं अपनी बातों को। गुरुजी ने कहा, अपना हाथ बढ़ाया एक बच्चे की तरफ जो दूर खड़ा था एक सतरंगी छाते के साथ। गुरुजी ने कहा, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया, ये उस बच्चे की आशा है जिस पे भगवान भी पिघल गए और आज हमारे गांव में बारिश हुई है। दिस इज कॉल्ड होप चिल्ड्रन। वी आर इन टू अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टाइम, आई अंडरस्टैंड। We have to overcome. We need to have the positivity. We should look forward to have positivity in everything. Every day morning we get up, we should start with a positive note. We must have to remember the gurus. Rightly said. किसी ने कहा है, कोई भी काम हम चालू करते हैं, if we start any work, the very first thing that we do is nothing but we focus, we concentrate. उस मुद्रा में बैठते हैं, हम ध्यान लगाते हैं। तो किसी ने कहा है सही गुरु के बारे में, ध्यान मूलम गुरु मूर्ति। आपको कितनी भी बड़े परेशानी आए उस समय में आप एक चित्त होके अपने गुरु को याद करें, शक्ति मिलेगी। ध्यान मूलम गुरुमूर्ति, मंत्र मूलम गुरु वाक्यम, पूजा मूलम गुरुपादम, मोक्ष मूलम गुरु वाक्यम। ये 4 सेंटेंस कहीं पे भी याद रखना बच्चों, बहुत शक्ति देने वाले हैं। बड़ी सी बड़ी चीजें आ जाए, आपको अपने गुरु आपके साथ मिलेंगे। यहाँ थोड़ी सी मैं गुरु की परिभाषा के ऊपर भी थोड़ी सी विवेचना करना चाहूंगा, थोड़ा सा प्रकाश डालना चाहूंगा। गुरु कौन है? हमारी सबसे प्रथम गुरु है हमारी माता। हम अपनी माता का तहे दिल से अनकंडीशनली, आई शुड नॉट आस्क दिस, we have to respect our mothers. Yes, we talk a lot, but if we are existing today, it is by virtue of the great mother who teaches the very first thing of life, how to get up when we fall. She has all the affection and the love. So I pay my respect on this auspicious day to all the mothers across the globe, not only in India, across the globe, I can say. They are really worthy of being greeted on this happy Teachers' Day. Rather, this difficult pandemic has taught us more that how beautifully, under all the restrictions, how she has managed well, how she has fed us well, in spite of all the hardships. Coming to the second one, yes, the society says, what my child reflects is nothing but what I bear. मैं मेरे घर पे कैसा व्यवहार करता हूं, वो मेरे बच्चे में दिखता है, इस पे कोई दो राय नहीं है। मुझे कोई हिचकिचाहट नहीं होगी यहां पे ये बोलने के लिए कि हाँ, कि हम जैसे हैं हमारा बच्चा वैसा ही होगा। हम यहाँ पे मैं फिर यहाँ पे फिर जाऊंगा towards the positivity. Let us be positive. Let us look at the positive aspects. Our father always reflects that yes, how hard he works out to bring up the family together. Let us look at the positivity. The second guru, I owe it to the parent, the father. So my special heartfelt greetings first to the parents. Now comes the age where we are going into the society, and there we find that yes, the only person whom we can trust, who can build the faith, who can hold our hand, who will always be with us, is nothing but our teacher. The school teacher who taught me how to live. In every moment, whenever I was having a difficult time, I found that my teacher was beside me, bringing me the things that yes, you can still do it. So again, to all the three gurus and above all, the great philosopher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who became the beacon, saying that let my birthday not be celebrated as my birthday, rather let it be celebrated as the Teachers' Day. I once again express my heartfelt greetings and pay my respectful offerings to all the three gurus of the society, and hope that in the time to come, with the small story which I gave, let us be hopeful that in the time to come, already today with the wonderful program, you have shown us that yes, we can overcome any adversity. And when it came to respecting the teachers, really, it is from the core of my heart. Thank you very much, children, for putting up such a wonderful program to respect the teachers. I have all praise for you. Rather, I am falling short of words to express my feelings for the program that you have choreographed, that you have put it across, building and again a confidence into your teachers and into your parents that yes, you are in the right move and you are really getting along to take on the world at any time, at any moment, at any situation to come. I also feel that yes, you all have given us a reason, not only you, rather, I'll be expressing my profound gratitude to the management who has built up such a beautiful environment with all the stalwarts, giving me as a team to carry forward the legacy of the true education through a small home of happiness called Anandalaya. Really, I feel proud, I feel honored, I feel highly obliged to be in association with all of you. I'm cherishing every moment of life in this difficult time, and I feel that every day is coming out to be better than the yesterday. Now, I take this opportunity also, since we are held up with so many shortcomings, we are still not sure when the normal will be coming, and we are making it as the new normal and we are carrying forward. So I will feel that one after the other, I'm rolling out all the things. First it was teaching. I express my thanks to everyone, especially the student community who has adjusted well. Hope that you are doing well, children. Be focused. I have told you earlier also that we need to learn first to believe. And when we believe, the first thing that comes in us is nothing but the self-discipline. Make the most of this difficult time, preparing yourself. Does not matter when and what and how the examination will be conducted. We are trying our level best to prepare you well, even through this page. Coming down to the next one, even we have conducted the test. You must be eagerly waiting for the results to be announced. We will do that also. To the other lower classes, we are trying our level best to convince the parent to have communication. Here I will sincerely request all the parents. You have been complimenting us a lot. A little more is required. An understanding to be between both of you, because both of us have the common objective that our children should get good education. Even if whatsoever might be the time, whatsoever might be the situation, whatsoever might be the surrounding, we feel that yes, we are for our children. And I can tell you that on behalf of the teaching fraternity, the teaching faculty, we have the same feeling as you are. But at the same time, we as teachers, we as parents, we need to face the reality. We need to be practical. We need to assess, have the real assessment that what are the our actual capacity of our children. Yes, let us come forward. Let us talk to our teachers. Let us be communicative with the teachers in a very congenial way. I don't say that it is not in a congenial way. We are indebted to the parents. Yes, you have given wonderful children, and also you have given us a wonderful association to be associated with you all. We'll always be there for anything that you feel like that this has to be discussed. This can be done in a better way. We are always open, because being a teacher, I have just learned that life is only, it starts with L and it is nothing but, it starts with learning and it ends with learning. Every moment we learn some or the other thing. So the teacher rightly said, a teacher learns twice, not only second time. Number of times the second becomes second and second and second and second and second. So taking all these things into account, I think that yes, this year we could not have, we are into a new normal. So I like to have, I will not be depriving my children from all the things that we were having. Yes, we have restrictions, and we have to show that yes, how meticulously, even in the difficult times, we can do all the things that is required. And this is a small step where I felt that yes, my children should be getting the leadership qualities. Rather, I can feel that yes, now each one of you can address a gathering of any number across the globe. Thank you, children. Really, I can tell you that you have shown the discipline, you have shown the etiquettes, you have shown the composition in you, delivering such a wonderful program. So I thank you, all of you. So in line with this, I will be just carrying forward, announcing. We know that it will be very difficult to hold the prefectorial council of the school for the session 2020-21. But I felt that no, let me have why my children should be, why my students should be deprived of this. So I wanted, with the limitation, I wanted to have the members of the student council for the session 2020-21. So if I start with the house captains and the deputies, let me start with Utkarsh House. The house captain is Kataria Anmol, and the deputy to him will be Dharmik of class 10th B. So congratulations, both of you. Next, I come down to Umang House. House captain is Nirjara Kethulikar of class 11, and the deputy to her is Priyans Patel of 10th B. Coming next to it, Ullas House, I have the house captain Manav Gabra from class 11, and the deputy to him Koral from 10th B. Coming to the fourth house, hers, house of joy, I can say. The captain is Simul Ganguly, class 11, and the deputy is Master Saswat Sutar of class 10th. Hope that I am having the clarity in this. In this, certainly I have taken the feeds from my house tutors, the house in charges, and then we have come to this, that yes, we should. Now coming down to the next two posts, the sports captain girl goes to Swasti Saxena of class 11, and the deputy sports captain goes to Pratham Udgal. Last but not the least, the two more posts I'll be announcing. So My head girl for the session 2020-21 is none other than Isa Bhattacharya of class 12th, and the head boy is Aditya Sikarwar. Congratulations, all of you. So now you might be thinking that this house council or the student council or the prefectorial council of the school for 2020-21 seems to be incomplete. Yes, children, I'm still having the hope that towards the latter part, the new children, those who will be coming, we will be having, because I had to announce the deputies and the things have to be carried forward. So I've announced the minimum. Rest all the posts will be there, rather there might be some creations of more, and certainly we will be seeing that yes, those are being carried forward with the same momentum, with the same method and the policy when things become better. Once again, I take this opportunity to congratulate each one of you and wish everyone a happy Teachers' Day, because I see that there is a teacher in every living being. I'm not talking about the students, the parent, the teacher. Rather, I feel that every living being that is around us teaches us something. I think the God is such a wonderful, it cannot be defined in terms of words and all. The Creator itself has made it so that everything around us teaches us. To conclude, I can just have a small message for all of you. Celebrations are not only to rejuvenate, but to recreate. The awareness, and they reminds us the objectivity to unite people together with enthusiasm, so that the humanities lives longer and longer, and we do something better and positive for the life to carry forward even in the worst of the time. Thank you once again for giving me all this opportunity. To all the teachers across the globe, and special to my team Anandalaya for coming forward and making it a really a memorable day in the annals of Anandalaya. Thank you once again to all of you. Thank you. Have a wonderful time. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. And congratulations to all the new members of the Student Council. Now, I call upon the head girl of Anandalaya, Isha Bhattacharya, for the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of all the students of Anandalaya, I, Isha Bhattacharya, the head girl, would like to propose the vote of thanks. First of all, I take this opportunity to express my gratitude for the August gathering that we have in this program. I am grateful to our principal, Shri Pavan Kumar Sharma, and our vice principal, Shri Tejas Kumar Desai, for providing us this unique platform to perform this program on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. Parents are an important pillar of Anandalaya. I convey my heartfelt thanks to all the parents who devoted their precious time to watch this program. A program cannot be completed without the support and guidance of teachers, and hence I thank Anjana Nayak ma'am, Sujit Kumar sir, Deepak Manjrekar sir, Neelken Suthar sir, and all the teachers of Anandalaya who guided us during this difficult time. I must mention my deep appreciation for all the students who watched this program with utmost interest and patience. Last but not the least, I would like to thank everyone who is directly or indirectly associated with the program to make it a success. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, Isha. Dear friends, let us take a moment to wish our teachers a happy Teachers' Day, not for a formality, from the deep bottom of your heart. Let us remember, one book, one pen, and one teacher can change the world. Teacher remains a teacher forever. I have found guidance, love, discipline, and friendship all in one person named teacher. Thank you, teachers.
The national anthem is the heart of an Indian. So let us end this program by singing it. I request everybody to rise at their respective places to pay respect to our national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत